Okay, for 131, they want us to change decimals to fractions, right? So A is 0.7. 0.7, that's the tenths place, right? So that's 7/10, right? There's not even any work to do for that one. For B, you should start to learn patterns, but if it shows how you would do it, you would go through our process, right? So we would say x equals 0.7 repeating. We would multiply by 10 because there's only one digit that's repeating. If there were two, we would multiply by 100, so 7.7 repeating, right? And now we subtract, and we get 9x equals, now these cancel, right? So 7, and we divide by 9, and we get x equals 7/9. So we would say 7/9 is the fraction for 0.7 repeating. For C, it's 0.15. So that's 15/100th, right? That's 15/100ths. And then, of course, we have to simplify that, right? That's not reduced. So we could divide, there's a common factor of 5, right? So 5 goes into 15 3 times, and 5 goes into 100 20 times. So that's 3/20ths. And for D, 0.15 repeating, same thing. We say x equals 0.15 repeating. We multiply by 100 in this case because there's two digits repeating, so we get 100x equals 15.15 repeating. And we subtract, right? So we get 99x equals 15 because these cancel when we subtract. We divide by 99, and we get x equals 15/99, but we're not done because we have to realize that 3 goes into both those. So this would be 5/33. Do not forget to reduce the fractions at the end.